roof health is very important. If you're at the point where you have thick moss on there, definitely what you need is a roof wash. And the way that we do that is we soft wash it. So we spray it with a disinfectant that's going to eliminate all that moss, algae, and fungus. We're not just going to move it and push it away with water and so it grows it back somewhere else. We're actually going to kill it and eliminate it. We do it with biodegradable products. By the time we're done, it's all diluted down to just basically salt and saline. So it's not going to hurt your plants or the animals or people or anything like that. But your roof is going to be back to as close to its original health as it's ever going to be. ClearView Home Services was started in September of 1988. I was a very young man, I was 20 years old. In the first 3 months, we generated over 300 brand new customers that we took care of, washing their windows, cleaning their screens. To this day, we still have a number of those original customers, and we have moved on to wash windows and clean gutters and pressure wash for their children, and even for some of their grandchildren. We want you to have a great experience, and that includes taking care of, any extras that you need while we're there. To get your free online quote, just click the Shop Now button.